In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove ads on TradingView. This makes your charting experience smoother and distraction-free. Let's get started. First, go to tradingview.com and sign into your account using your email or social login. Next, click Upgrade Now at the top right corner of the home page to see the available plans. Then, you'll see multiple subscription options. Scroll down and note that the cheapest plan with no ads starts at $13.99 per month under the Pro tier. After that, click Try under the Pro plan, then proceed to log in your billing details and payment method to activate the subscription. Bonus tip: you can try the Pro plan free for 30 days. Just make sure to cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. And that's how to remove ads from your TradingView account. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more time-saving tutorials. See you next time!